अगर आप लक्ष्मीकांत से पॉलिटी का टॉपिक लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट पढ़ते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके कुछ क्वेश्चन तो सॉल्व होने शुरू हो जाएंगे, दैट इज़ वो भी प्रीलिम्स के. बट when it comes to mains, clear, it will be very difficult to write answer using that information. Okay, तो अब उसके लिए क्या किए करें? तो उसके लिए अगर आपके पास एक ऑप्शन क्या है, यू कैन रीड कुरुक्षेत्रा. तो अगर आप अप्रैल 2025 कि अगर कुरुक्षेत्र देखोगे तो दैट इज ऑन टॉपिक ऑफ यू कैन से पंचायती राज. सो यू विल सी दैट इन दिस देर आर 9 टॉपिक्स और 9 सब टॉपिक्स कवर्ड अंडर पंचायती राज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस. तो आपने टॉपर्स के मुंह से भी सुना होगा कि यू हैव टू रीड टॉपिक फ्रॉम मल्टीपल डायमेंशंस. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको डायमेंशंस मिलेंगी कहाँ से? तो वो डायमेंशंस आपको ऐसे सोर्सेज से मिलेंगी. क्लियर? तो अगर आप देखोगे तो अगर इसमें देखो पहला टॉपिक जो है दैट इज विद एम्पावरिंग विमेन लीडरशिप, दैट इज इन पंचायती राज. तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप इस टॉपिक के अंदर देखोगे तो इट विल टेल यू दैट नियरली 46% ऑफ टोटल इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर विमेन. Clear? Now this data you will get from this magazine only, that is Kurukshetra. You will not find in Lakshmikant polity. Clear? That is Lakshmikant, that is for your polity subject. Clear? Similarly, if you see the second article, this will talk about Panchayat Devolution Index. Now this again you will not find in any book. Clear? Third, if you see that third article talks about, you can say, the initiative taken by the government in last 10 years to empower Panchayat. So again, those initiatives you will find here. Clear? Either you will find in newspaper, but in newspaper it will come. You can say all data will not come in a compiled manner, but in Kurukshetra you will find this. Clear? Next, fourth article is with respect to, you can say, the states. You can say whatever states have you can say passed a law with respect to Panchayati Raj. So it is with respect to that. So ultimately it talks about the finances of the Panchayati system or Panchayati Raj. Clear? Next, if you see a very famous scheme of Government of India, that is Swamitva. Clear? So that is again important for your both prelims and mains. Next, Meri Panchayat app or application. So this Meri Panchayat application, a one-stop solution for information. Again, you will find, you can say, a good information or good content for your both prelims and mains. Clear? Gram Manchitra, you can say Gram Manchitra app. So that is again is important for, you can say, rural or you can say village planning. Clear? Or Panchayat planning. Water management. Now this article is very important, the 8th one. Clear? So if you see that most of our water bodies are located in rural area, so without them you cannot ensure, you can say, a government की a very famous scheme, that is हर घर को पानी और हर घर में जल और tap. So ultimately that is not possible. Clear? Without, you can say, rural development and planning. Clear? And the last is capacity building of Panchayati Raj institutions. Clear? So that is again important. Clear? So you can see that if you read this article, clear, or if you read all these 9 articles, your mains as well as prelims part will get solid. Clear? Plus whatever you study in Lakshmikant, okay, that is an addition to that. Clear? तो कहीं ना कहीं आप देखोगे कुरुक्षेत्र अगर आप पढ़ते हो, clear, for April 2025, your, you can say, one topic of Panchayati Raj will be ready or will get ready in a holistic manner. Clear? So please focus on such magazines.